Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been dreaming of hitting the trails but can't get out just yet, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to plan the perfect hiking trip, all from the comfort of your home. So let's dive right in. Well, the first step in planning any hike is to pick the right destination, but you don't have to head outdoors just yet. There's tons of online resources, such as Far Out or All Trails, Google Earth, where you can explore trails all around the world. I personally love using All Trails because you can filter based on difficulty, length, user reviews. Make sure to choose something that matches your fitness and experience. And once you've picked your trail, do some thorough research. Check the weather conditions, the trail's difficulty, and other hikers' experiences. This will help you prepare for any surprises. Then check the trail's elevation gain and look for photos from fellow hikers. It's a great way to visualize what the trail is like. Now it's time to talk gear. Even though we're still at home, this is a great time to check what you have and what you're going to need to buy. For any hike, you need solid footwear, a hydration system, a good backpack, and weather-appropriate clothing. Take inventory of your gear, clean what you can, and make a shopping list for anything that you need to buy. Planning a hike isn't just about logistics, so take some time to visualize the experience. Watching hiking videos on YouTube, listening to hiking podcasts, or even explore trail maps online. Get yourself excited. And by following these steps, you'll be ready to head out on your next adventure with confidence. And remember, planning is the key to ensuring a safe and enjoyable hike. So let me know in the comments where your next adventure is going to take you. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.